Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to create a side menu in WIX. Now, if you're wondering how to exactly create a side menu in WIX, well, creating one is fairly easy. So first things first is we want to go and delete our original or our default menu here. Let's go and delete this. Let's go and click on the add elements at the top left here. And you want to go ahead and click on the option here for menu and anchor. Now, you want to go and click on the option here that says hamburger menus. And you want to just add or use whatever design you want to use here. For example, I want to use this one because it actually matches the design of my site here. And yeah, so obviously you could add whatever design you want. You could go ahead and click on design here. So you could customize the text, borders, corners, and whatever. But what's the most important one here is going to be the edit menu option. Now in here, as you can see, we have this pop-up here, which in this case, you can just basically start using it. But in this case, we don't want to use this as is. We want to add something here. Let's go ahead and click on the container box here that we don't want. Let's go ahead and just use the menu here. And let's go ahead and align this at the right side. Now let's go ahead and do the same for the X here at the top right. Let's line this up. And from here, what you could try doing is you could add the add elements option here. And you want to go ahead and go to the box option so that we can add a container for this one. So maybe I want to use this container here. Let's go ahead and drag it in here. Now let's go ahead and expand this further. Let's go ahead and add our menu inside of this one. Now you could go ahead and do whatever you want here. So let's go a lot bigger here, so it has more space. Let's go add the X. Yeah. So basically you could add whatever design that you want here. So we just needed a way for us to basically make the section here for our menu to come up. So to be speaking, you could go and reposition this. So by the way, you could go and right click on this one, and you could also like click on pin to screen, so it will always appear on a certain location. So as you can see here now, you can pin that, but maybe we want to unpin this element here just now. But yeah, so by the way, another thing that you could try doing here, by the way, is you could actually, oh by the way, it's actually in here. Let's go ahead and go back. Go to menu here, click on edit menu. So yeah, you could go ahead and just position it at the right side here. And by the way, you could actually click on the background itself. You could go and click on the sign, and you could go and click on background fills here, and you could change a few things like the background fill if you want to. You have the borders as well if you want. Let's go and click on this one, change background overlay. Click on settings here. Let's go ahead and choose reduce the opacity color. You can make it more or see more if you want. But yeah, so you can basically change the opacity for that one. And once we actually exit this one and click on save at the top right, done, click on exit mode. Let's go and click on preview to see how it actually looks like. And when you click on the menu at the top right here, as you can see, we now have our side menu here. So yeah, you can go and click on home or whatever navigation you want. So yeah, that's how you actually add or create a side menu in WIX. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.